Ranger is a mid-sized pickup that's no longer the itty-bitty one in the lineup thanks to the new Maverick compact truck. Considered more of a diet F-150 than mini truck, the Ranger comes with a 270 horsepower turbocharged inline-four and 10-speed automatic transmission. Ford doesn't significantly change its mid-size Ranger pickup for 2023. New for 2023 is a new Splash Jumble Edition equipment package for the Lariat Super Crew. This is largely an appearance package with an exclusive Eruption Green Metallic paint color and black mesh grille. Azure Gray Metallic Tri-coat is also added as an available paint option. Greeted by a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine that generates 270 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. With all Ranger trucks, a 10-speed automatic rules the roost, and it provides shifts that are smooth and quick. Rear drive models offer 8.4 inches of ground clearance, while four-wheel drive versions offer 8.9 inches. The Ranger is available with a terrain management system. For selectable drive modes are offered normal, grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, and sand. Rangers are available as either an extended cab or a crew cab model. The roomier Super Crew seats up to 5 and comes with 4 full-size doors, while the Super Cab provides seating for 4 occupants and has 2 smaller rear half doors.